Hey, Levi, come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. All right, good job. Hey, Levi, can you say hi? Can you say hi? No, apparently not. How's it going, Izzy?
Levi, can you say hi to Izzy?
Can you say hi to Izzy? Okay, Levi, stay there, but don't pull on me. Okay, hey. Hey, let's not be grouchy about it. Can you just say hi? Can you just say hi? Can you just say hi?
Levi. Can you say hi? Hey, Mama. Levi. Can you say hi to Izzy? Go say hi to Izzy. You better say hi to Izzy.
Okay. Check you later, guys.